Do you know how AI is transforming the automotive industry? Contrary to popular belief, self-driving cars are not the only vehicles utilizing AI technology. From trucks to buses, AI is at work to enhance the safety and overall driving experience for both drivers and passengers. In this video, we'll explore the varying degrees of automation in cars, and how AI is able to decipher speech and understand the intentions of drivers, even in noisy environments. So sit back, relax, and join us as we delve into the intricate role of AI in the automotive industry. Welcome to my channel, Cajun World. If you are deeply curious, subscribe and let's dive in. Through this video, we are about to discuss how AI has transformed the automobile industry, and how safer and more efficient driving abilities of vehicles have come into the world with the use of artificial intelligence. Applications of AI technology are widely used in the transportation sector, from robots employed in production facilities to driverless cars that impose electricity onto vehicles. Along with production, artificial intelligence has significantly changed the automobile industry. Automobile manufacturers are working on creating as well as using sophisticated artificial intelligence technologies as a result of their growing awareness of the value of artificial intelligence tools, as well as the industry's expanding desire for mechanization. Since its founding in 2003, Tesla, the automaker speeding up the worldwide shift to sustainable energy, has served as one of the most prominent companies in the use of automotive AI. Benefits of AI in the automotive sector include the creation of future vehicles with self-learning and self-driving capabilities, as well as collecting information from image detectors using the power of deep learning neural network algorithms. Now let us consider the use of AI in the insurance claim process. With the remarkable advancements in AI technology in vehicles, it is now easier to add technologically equipped cars to the road. Consequently, the process of making insurance claims has been simplified through the use of artificial intelligence. Are you interested in learning how to utilize this innovative technique to make insurance claims without any hassle? Well, as a customer, it is your responsibility to take pictures of the accident and damages to your car and submit them to your insurance provider to maximize the benefits of your insurance plan. For instance, Howard Auto has created an app that analyzes component damages to vehicles, helping with insurance claims. Such apps utilizing AI technology are useful for promptly submitting pictures of damaged vehicles and claiming compensation. The AI automotive insurance process is substantially faster than the traditional insurance approach, especially in the event of accidents. One of the next immense power of artificial intelligence is factory robots. Have you ever wondered how your favorite vehicles are manufactured? Well, you might be surprised to learn that factory robots are now operating more productively than human laborers in the manufacturing process. With advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, these machines are capable of completing tasks similar to those of human laborers. They can detect and carry out their duties correctly and effectively, resulting in increased productivity and reduced labor costs. At present, many manufacturers have taken steps to utilize industrial robots to increase productivity and reduce the immense amount of labor factor used in production tasks. Do you know how AI in vehicle development has involved driverless vehicles? In recent years, we have seen tremendous developments in the automobile industry with the incorporation of artificial intelligence. AI is not just revolutionizing the way we drive, but also transforming the entire automotive landscape. The most prominent example of AI use in the automotive industry is the development of driverless vehicles that have the potential to change the way we travel. AI is used in autonomous vehicle systems to process data from sensors like cameras, radar, and lasers, enabling the car to drive itself. This reduces the risk of accidents caused by human error and opens up opportunities for people who are physically unable to drive. With the increasing popularity of AI across all markets, the automotive industry is leveraging AI cloud computing services to ensure data accessibility for self-driving cars. Do you know the usage of AI cloud computing has helped the automobile industry to evolve? The utilization of AI cloud computing services is helpful in the automobile industry since connected autonomous vehicles demand increasing amounts of information to complete their jobs on their own. At present, the adoption of AI is in increasing popularity across all markets. Here, it ensures data accessibility when needed for self-driving cars. Additionally, with the incorporation of AI with IoT sensors, the cloud provides tremendous advantages, making the AI cloud the ideal platform to execute and implement vision technology within the automobile sector. The use of AI technology in vehicle production processes. Artificial intelligence is being employed in car manufacturing to alert drivers about potential hardware and component failures, thus ensuring safe and trouble-free travel. This technology enables early detection of component failures, preventing damage to the vehicle. Furthermore, machine learning algorithms can predict future failures of spare parts, helping consumers make informed decisions when purchasing and evaluating various options. The use of AI technology in the risk assessment as well as emotion recognition process. It is indeed fascinating how artificial intelligence is being utilized to improve passenger safety and automobile performance. The use of AI-powered internal cameras to track drivers' eyes and determine their state of mind, such as whether they are sleepy, is a remarkable development in enhancing road safety. By analyzing different emotions like anger, joy, and sadness, robots can now determine the state of mind of the driver. Moreover, the use of AI in object recognition, distance estimation, and identifying potential dangers nearby can help drivers prevent accidents and reduce fatalities. The high-quality training data built from a fleet of close to 1 million vehicles can provide insights into potential risks on the road and take preventive measures in real time. Furthermore, AI can be used to evaluate sensor data and modify control systems to increase the car's effectiveness and performance. This can result in improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a smoother driving experience. AI-powered control systems can optimize the vehicle's performance based on various factors, such as road conditions, weather, and traffic patterns. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the automobile industry, providing advanced safety features, improved performance, and a more efficient driving experience. However, it is crucial to ensure that these technologies are developed responsibly and ethically to prevent any unintended consequences. AI can make future autonomous vehicles safer and more convenient to use. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role in enhancing the safety of autonomous vehicles. By establishing connections between the car, its embedded electronic devices, adjacent vehicles, and traffic authorities, these automobiles can provide more accurate predictions of other cars' behavior, which can ultimately reduce the likelihood of accidents. One example of this is using AI in conjunction with sensors that detect obstructions in the car's path, such as other vehicles or objects like parked cars. This technology can alert drivers to maintain a safe distance from potential hazards, preventing damage to the car or other people's property. Furthermore, AI can also contribute to environmental protection by gathering data on people's driving habits and gasoline usage during their travels. This data can help in monitoring and reducing harmful emissions from vehicles. However, whenever we look around our modern cities, vehicles frequently seem to be out of date. The automobile industry has set high goals for itself, but its progress has not kept up with its ambitions. Nevertheless, data suggests that the global market for self-driving cars will grow from $5.6 billion in 2018 to $60 billion in 2030, indicating a surge in the popularity of autonomous vehicles. Since the early days of science fiction, cars have been viewed as the pinnacle of technological advancement. However, with the integration of artificial intelligence, the automotive industry is gradually transforming our vehicles. Future autonomous systems will increasingly rely on AI as it continues to evolve. Examples of AI-powered driving systems demonstrate how this technology can optimize vehicle performance and improve the driving experience. The use of AI in the automotive sector will have a significant impact on how we travel, interact with our vehicles, and ensure safety for ourselves and others. We hope you learned something new, and if you found this information exciting, stay tuned for more on our channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more exciting content.